Hello, welcome back. I just want to talk to you briefly about the advantages of you being able to play the piano. Well, the advantages are this. If you're out and about with your friends and your friends say, "What do you do as a hobby?" You can say, "I play the piano. I've started piano lessons." And you know what? That makes you feel good. The fact that you can read music, the fact that you can put a tune together on the piano, it is totally amazing. And you could also use it for relaxation. Like if you're stressed, you go to the piano and you just take a deep breath. It's a bit like doing exercises. Take a deep breath, relaxing exercise, and start playing your favorite piece on the piano. So that is the advantage. That is an advantage for you yourself. The fact that you can put your hands to the piano and start playing a tune, or you can look at a piece of music and say, "Oh yeah, I know how to play that." Ha ha. Also, you could also play. Oh, that's two alsos in one word. That's bad. I have to go to English lessons. Sorry. Anyway, what I was getting back to the advantages. You could play for your children at Christmas. Or if you're a child yourself, you can play for your mum and dad and say, "Look, Mum, look what I can do now. Look how far I've got now with what I've been taught, with what I've been taught." So you have your advantages, definitely. You could go out with your mates one night and there might be a piano in the hallway or in the pub. I don't know if they do pianos in pubs these days, but there might be a piano in a pub and you could go and have a little tinkle. Sometimes you see these pianos at train stations. Have you seen those people playing on them? Yeah? They start creating tunes on the piano and then another man comes along or another lady comes along and they start playing, and then before you know it, you're on YouTube and you're a star. And people love anything like that, and it gives you a buzz. So there are advantages. The disadvantages, well, there aren't any. If you want to learn, there are no disadvantages. It's only advantages of learning to play the piano. Think about what you can do. Think about who you can play around with, you know? You can do duets. Duets are when two people play together on the piano. Like, there's one duet I used to do with my son, right? He used to play the left hand like this. And I used to play the right hand like this. Oops. And two people playing like that together is a duet. And it's fun. And of course, if you're able to play the piano, as an advantage, of course, people want to, once you start playing the piano, people will gather around you because at the end of the day, it's fun, isn't it? Yeah? So that is the advantage of being able to put your fingers on them keys and play along. Okay?